So children, as I told you earlier, practice set 10.1 example 7, 8, 9 and 10 are cancelled from the syllabus, but we are solving here. So you will also solve those sums. I have solved on the page like this. Now see, 7 sum is 2y cube plus 4y square plus 3. It is divided with 2y square. Okay, so this is a polynomial 2y cube plus 4y square plus 3. It is divided by 2y square. So one by one we will solve, as earlier we have solved those sums. So in the explanation part, 2y square is multiplied with what to get 2y cube. So 2 is already here. So y square is multiplied with y to get 2y cube. That is first term of the quotient is y. So first term is y. Then we will write 2y square into y is 2y cube. Now subtract it. 2y cube minus 2y cube is cancelled. So 0 is there. Now whatever terms are left, that we will write over here. That is plus 4y square. This one by one also you can copy down, or you can write both the terms as it is. So we got now the second term as 4y square. So we want 4y square. So again take 2y square. 2y square is multiplied by which number to get 4y square? This is the second term. So 2 2s are 4 and y square is already here. So second term of the quotient is 2. So here 2 we will write. 4y square we get now. Now subtract sign here. 4y square minus 4y square get cancelled and we get 0 as a remainder. Now what is left here? 3 is left. Okay. Now we here the variable is not present and only coefficient term, the constant term is present. So here our sum of this, the polynomial is divided by 2y square is end now, because here the variable is absent and its power is also less than 2y square. So what is the quotient now? Y plus 2, and what is the remainder? Only 3 is the remainder. This is quotient written over here, but it is misprint. Here you will write remainder. Okay children, here is the remainder. Remainder is 3, quotient is y plus 2. Now next sum. See, next sum is 8 sum 21x raised to 4 minus 14x square plus 7x. It is divided with 7x cube. Here in the solution part we will show the division and right side explanation. Here first term is 21x raised to 4. We want 21. So 7 3s are 21 and here x cube is there. So we will multiply with x. That is 3x is the first quotient. So 7x cube multiplied by 3x, we will get 21x raised to 4. Now subtract it. Write down here 21x raised to 4 and subtract. So we get remainder as 0 and minus 14x square plus 7x as it is. Now here what we have to write? Here minus 14x square we want. But see the index of the variable of the first term now here. Here is the index as 2. The power of x is 2 and here x power is 3. So now this x square, that is this 2 is less than 3. So we cannot divide it further. If you multiply this term by any other number, you cannot get x square. So we will stop here the division and only quotient is 3x and whatever terms are left, those are remainder. So what is the remainder? 14x square plus 7x. In this way we will solve 8th sum. Now let us come towards the 9th sum. In 9th sum, which is the polynomial 6x raised to 5 minus 4x raised to 4 plus 8x cube plus 2x square. It is completely divided with 2x square. Now for this sum explanation I will show you in the next part. One by one I will explain you now. 2x square is multiplied with 3x cube, then only we will get 6x raised to 5 and subtract it. We get remainder as 0 and minus 4x raised to 4 we will copy down as it is. Now we want minus 4x raised to 4. So multiply 2x square with minus 2x square to get minus 4x raised to 4. Here this negative sign will change to plus and this get cancelled. so remainder is 0. The next term we will copy down 8x cube. Now when we will get 8x cube? When we multiply 2x square by 4x. So plus 4x we will write over here in the quotient, and we get by multiplying 2x square with 4x to get 8x cube. Now subtract it. This get cancelled and we get remainder as 0. Now what is left? 2x square. So plus 2x square is copy down, carry down same. Now here power is same, so we can take 2x square plus 2x square into 1 is 2x square, but here plus 1 because here plus sign is there. So multiply it with 1 to get 2x square. Now subtract it. This 2x square get cancelled and remainder is 0. So let us write down the explanation part in the next part. Now see here, 2x square is multiplied with 3x cube, which we get 6x raised to 5. That is the first term of the quotient is 3x cube. Second term, 2x square is multiplied with minus 2x square to get minus 4x raised to 4. This box answer is the second term of the quotient, that is minus 2x square. Then the third explanation, again 2x square is multiplied with 4x to get 8x cube. This is the third term of the quotient, that is 4x. Now again 2x square is multiplied with 1, then we get 2x square. So fourth term of the quotient is 1. In this way what we get as a quotient? 3x cube minus 2x square plus 4x plus 1 is the quotient, and remainder is 0. Now children, 9th sum is also over. Now let us come towards the 10th sum. 10th sum here, 25m raised to 4 minus 15m cube plus 10m plus 8 divided by 5m cube. So 25m raised to 4 minus 15m cube plus 10m plus 8, it is divided with 5m cube. Now here first term of the quotient is what? 5 into 5 is 25 and m cube is there, so multiply it with m. So 5m cube multiplied by 5m to get 25m raised to 4. So that explanation is written here. 5m cube is multiplied with 5m is equal to 25m raised to 4. So this 5m is what? First term of the quotient, that is 5m. Now this get cancelled and remainder is 0. Now what is left? Minus 15m cube. Minus 15m cube we have written. Now we want minus 15m cube. So here minus we will write, and 5m cube is multiplied with minus 3 to get minus 15m cube. This means 5m cube is multiplied with minus 3 to get minus 15m cube. And minus 3 is what? This is the second term of the quotient. Now it get cancelled and remainder is 0. And what is left now? Plus 10m plus 8. Now see the power of m. M power is only 1. It is less than the 3. This is m cube means power is 3. So it is less. This 1 is less than 3. So we will stop here division. We cannot divide it further. So what is the quotient now? 5m minus 3. And what is the remainder now? 10m plus 8. So quotient is 5m minus 3 and remainder is 10m plus 8. In this way, see which sums up to 6 we have solved, and on the page 7, 8, 9 and 10, though even if those numbers, those sums are cancelled, but we have solved over here, so you will solve in your copy also. Okay children, and after that we will solve the next part, that is to divide a polynomial by a binomial in the next part. Okay, thank you.